what's up guys, Slavic here. I'm going to show you guys how to take off your clutch actuator and clutch rod. So anybody having issues with that, maybe having issues with your clutch, you're running out of adjustment on your clutch cable, this might be an issue. Let me show you guys how to take it off. Don't make the same mistake as I did. Forgot to drain the bike and there goes all the oil. Leave it there. That's the push rod. Goes back and forth, pushes against this, and that's what the clutch actuator is kind of connected to a little bit. So that's how you access the push rod. Mine is leaking, probably because of all these scratches, but possibly the seal is damaged. So that, guys, is how you take off the clutch actuator, and then the other one that connects to it. Pretty simple. This is a 2016 YZ450F. The process to put it back is the same exact way. Just put this bad boy back in, twist it, put it back down, then go to the other side and you push on the rod, and while you pull this to make sure that there's contact, and every time you go this far or this way, the rod comes out. So if it's doing that, it's good. It needs to go all the way down. If that video helped you guys out, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. Any other things you guys want to see, just let me know. Have a good one, guys.